All right, guys, new video, new live stream. I'm feeling good. I'm feeling all right. Got more hours of sleep, so got a little bit more energy in me. The last few videos has been really low energy. I've just been very tired. Haven't been getting a lot of sleep. Maybe like 4 hours of sleep the past 3 4 days. I work a lot. I work a lot, a lot, a lot. So we're gonna get right into it because market is about to open. It is currently 9:27 a.m. So as you guys know, well, you probably don't know. You probably haven't traded before ever in your life if you're watching my videos. But what I like to do is I like to go on the 1 hour and the 4 hour charts and mark out my daily bias for the day. So daily bias, how do you find daily bias? We will get into that later on. I will be posting videos on candlesticks, daily bias, trends, what an order block is, what a fair value gap is, what a breaker block is, what all that type of stuff is. But for now, if you're watching this as a beginner slash non-trader, then I thank you very much for showing support. But this is for the experienced type of traders. I know this is a new channel, so I don't really have experienced traders watching me right now, but they will soon once I stay consistent. So daily buys for the day. It looks like we're kind of in a range. Hold on, let me turn on the demonstration tab. Looks like we're kind of in a range. I'm not gonna lie, kind of in a short little range. I think we are bullish because of this kind of it kind of started a trend. We just swept out sell side liquidity. Hold on, let me refresh this page because my tab's not showing up. Thank you. It looks like we kind of swept out sell side liquidity. So I'm gonna mark this out. So looks like we kind of swept sell side liquidity right here. So we're kind of trending up right after this sweep. So we are respecting bullish fair value gaps. Well, actually, no. We are not respecting bullish fair value gaps, but we kind of are right here. So this is kind of a start. This is a higher time frame though. So if I zoom into the 1 hour time frame, this is where I really get my bias from. As you can see, we're respecting buy side inefficiency, and we're disrespecting bearish inefficiency. As you can see right here, we're kind of disrespecting it. We should have pulled into this range and kept going lower, but instead we broke out of it, kept going higher. So my draws on liquidity, I'm gonna say it's right here, right here. I'm not looking to make any sells today, only because I don't see any draws on liquidity. Maybe right here, but my bias is bullish anyway. So maybe we can, hopefully, if we respect this fair value gap, maybe we can draw into session lows and maybe draw into here, sweep this out, and then continue up. Well, market just opened now, so, and as you can see, we're just immediately ripping up. These are also draws on liquidity as well, right here. Boom, boom. This is I would say a 30-minute high. So these are all session liquidities right here that market could potentially draw into. I want to see us maybe tap here and then go up. We're already inside of fair value gap, so we might not manipulate down. So I'm just gonna wait until maybe after 9:45. I'm gonna wait for maybe a retracement. Go to 1 minute, look for an inverse fair value gap entry, enter, target my draws. Simple as that. If not, then this would be one of my psychology videos on how to not trade and how to not be greedy and how to stay away if you don't see your setup, because it is very, very easy to take a trade when you don't see your setup. It is too easy, actually. It should be criminal of how easy it is. So that would be a good topic for this video, because you got to understand, like I said, this is all psychology. Keep in mind, this is all psychology. I want you to hammer down psychology as well as you're hammering down the technicals of this, because without psychology, you have nothing. You literally have nothing. So 15-minute fair value gap right here. We kind of already tapped into it, though. I maybe want to see us go lower right here, or maybe even here. Tap that, reverse. That's what I'd like to see. I don't want to see us hit these yet. But yeah, this is all a psychology game. You can know what everything is in terms of the chart technicality, but if you don't have your psychology down packed, and keep in mind, you'll never have your psychology down packed. You'll never have it down packed. Let me just say that. There's always going to be that one moment on that one day where it's like, man, you know, you're going to have those days where it's like, damn, I wish. Oh, camera went out. But you're going to have those days where it's like, I wish I sorry. Put the charger on. I wish this trade hit. And turns out it don't hit. And now it's like, damn. Now you're going to force yourself to take a trade, and you're going to force the market to do what you want it to do, when that's not how the market works. This is going to happen. So if you haven't traded before, or you're a beginner trader, this is going to happen. Undoubtedly, 100%. So it's best to manage that. You know, it's best to manage that, whether you're experienced or not. The feelings will happen. You know, you are gonna have those urges where it's like, damn, I wish that hit. Why didn't it hit? I'm gonna go back in. And whether you go back in the right way or you go back in the wrong way, you're gonna go back in. It's just inevitable. It's just, you know, the market plays with your emotions. It really does. It's one of those things in life where it'll disrespect you, it'll spit on you, and it'll not give a single flying fuck about you. And then it's one of those days where you feel like you just won $1 million. You know, you feel like you're the man. You feel like you know everything. You feel like, you know, nothing could touch you, nothing could stop you. You know, it really makes your day sometimes when you actually hit a trade, and it's like, wow, I just did that. You know? So you got to manage those feelings. You know, you can't be too happy. I always say you can't be too happy and you can't be too sad, or you can't be too down. You can't be too up, you can't be too down. You got to stay in the middle. When you're winning the trade, or when you win a trade, you can't be too up. You can't be too, oh my God, I just won that trade. I'm the man. Now I know everything. Now I know it. I know this thing. You know, because you're going to use that energy, go into the market tomorrow, and you're going to be too overly confident. You're going to screw something up. Next thing you know, you go from up here to down here. And Now you're just in a roller coaster of emotions, and now your whole psychology is warped, and now you're not even trading on strategy now. You're just hopping on the charts just because you want to feel another high. That's gonna happen. That's gonna happen. If you're a beginner trader, or somebody that hasn't traded before, that's gonna happen. That's gonna happen. Eventually, strategy goes out the window, and you're gonna hop on the charts, and you're gonna be like, you know what? Fuck all this. I need to make money now. And you're gonna just put in entries on just literal idiotic, nonsensical nothingness, and you're not even gonna give two thoughts about it. And then you're gonna lose your account, and then you're gonna feel bad about yourself. And then hopefully, if you're wise enough, you would maybe take a break and reevaluate what you just did, because if you keep doing that again, then all you're gonna do is just give the market money. You might as well just throw all your money down the drain, in the toilet, flush it down the drain, because that's essentially what you're doing. So you gotta get right back into the program. Get right back into the program. All right, let me just check on something. We did in. Why am I? Oh no. Should be on the hotspot. Should be on the hotspot. Okay. I mean, this is technically an inverse fair value gap right here. If we can find some type of retracement. God damn, this is a big ass candle. Let's wait for this to close, and we will see what the market wants to do. 5 minute. These are our draws on liquidity, guys. These are our targets for the day. So if we take these targets out, then I probably will not be trading. Maybe I'll probably trade up to here. But you might be touching all-time high territory. And no, actually no, we're far past. Yeah, no, we are ways ahead, ways below all-time highs. Okay, so let's see. Yep, we're trending back down temporarily. This is another low resistance high that we did tap into. Let's wait for this candlestick to close. Then I'm gonna mark this out as a 5 minute fair value gap. And if we inverse out of here, then I will probably be taking the trade all the way up. If we don't, honestly, I don't like this giant ass candle. That's the only thing that's bugging me out. Let me sign in just in case we do. Yeah, so it looks like we are about to retrace right back into that. So let's see. Buys. I'll probably put my stops 25003. Take profit. We are going to put 25241. Just wait for this candle to close. Do not go up without me, please. Do not go up without me. And it's going up without me. It is going up without me. Come back down. Yeah, it looks like it. I mean, this is not an inverse fair value gap, though, so I don't know if I want to take this trade. I usually like to trade off of inverse fair value gaps. So I'm going to wait for another dabble. If we could dabble again back in there, then I'm taking the trade. But I'm not taking this. Patience, 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 patience. This is something I wish I was telling myself back in the day when I was trading. Patience. You gotta be patient. Gotta be patient. Gotta be patient. If your entry ain't there, don't trade it. You know, you gotta preserve your capital. You have to. You have to preserve your capital. And you have to know how to not trade. We all know how to trade, but we don't know how to not trade. We don't know how to take a loss, and we don't know how to not trade. These are the bigger issues that we need to conquer. Because I've seen this story before where we close right out of this fair value gap, and next thing you know, we're tumbling all the way down. And honestly, we should be flushing through here now, but we're not. So I want to see us really pull in, and then inverse fair value gap. Boom, we're already on the 1 minute. And I want to see us go up. I'm getting a call. Don't know who's calling me. 1 second. Let me see if there's any news today. No major news. Okay. The market is moving kind of slow today. Hold on 1 second, guys. Hello? What was that? Yeah, I'm home. Who? Oh, the door's locked? Okay. Alright, I'm coming. I got you. Alright. Oh. Sorry, I gotta open the door for my cousin. This is another 1 minute fair value gap right here. You see, this market is moving too slow for me. Hold on. Are we pulling out of this fair value gap? Market's moving way too slow for me, way too slow. I mean, we kind of dabbled in here, so guess I can take the trade, but I don't know. Let me just stay away for now. Guys, your setup will be there, okay? Your setup will be there. There's no need to chase the market. Do not chase the market. High probability setups. And you see, look, the market is taking off. Could you have taken the trade? Sure. But this is not how I trade. I don't trade like this. I like good setups. I don't like when this market is moving this slow. The market is moving very slow right now. It's already 9:48 and we only moved We moved 150 points so far. I mean, it's not bad, but I want to see some more. I could have taken the trade right here, though. This is a simple fair value gap entry. 5-minute fair value gap entry. And obviously we're going up. Obviously these are the draws on liquidity. Maybe I could have, no, because it already went all the way down here. Guys, it's important that when you see the market going up like this, it's important to not chase the market. Don't chase this because you don't know what you're trading on. Don't chase this because then the market's going to do some bullshit like this and come right back down on you. And now you really don't know what you're trading on. It's best to wait. See? Look. If we stay in the range and we're consolidating, then I'll probably just call it a day. But you have our draws up here. Yeah, I don't know what the market is trying to do right now, but tap into a 5-minute. Looks like we're about to start consolidating. What did we do? Asia, we came down. London, we came up, didn't sweep anything out. Reversed randomly. Let me check the S&P. Oh, S&P we took out. Okay, that's why we went down. S&T right there. Up top, came down. We drew it to here. And we reversed. No SMT. Because they both swept it out. So I don't know. It's our SMT up here. Maybe we sweep this out of NASDAQ and then tumble lower. Looks like we're about to form an SMT right now. Oh, I don't know. Maybe we do go lower. Maybe we do go lower. We would just have to see. Maybe I'll take it on the S&P today. Hey guys, it's already 9:52. Looks like we're not moving at all. We don't even want to form an SMT. We don't even want to form an SMT. It's looking like a lack of orders on the S&P. It looks like we might reverse after we take these out. But we need confirmation. We need confirmation. We need patience. We need patience. Patience. Um. Chop City, Chop City, goddamn. Market is moving so slow today. I don't like it. Maybe I could have taken that trade. Made 100-point. That would have been a 100-point victory right here. Take it right up there. But that's a little risky, so. S&P. All the way up here. Looks like we might form a 1-minute SMT up top, or a 5-minute SMT. If we do, I'll be looking for confirmation to the downside. If we change state of delivery right here, I'd probably be looking for some type of sell confirmation. Asia, we came down, reversed. New session, we reversed up. Didn't take out no liquidity though. S&P we did though, which is what caused the move down. Looks like we're about to form another SMT to probably form another move down. So maybe I should take the trade on S&P. I need confirmation though. I need confirmation. Minute, let's take this out. 3-minute. Now we're going up. The hell? Oh, now we're going up, right? What the fuck? Now we want to go up. Great. Can't chase this. Can't chase this. Don't chase it. If you miss the move, you miss the move. That's it. You wait for your setup to present itself, you take the trade. It's all about probabilities. All about probabilities. This is how you succeed. You take one trade a day, 2 at most, with the best setup. The best setup. Do not take trades that don't have a good setup. Do not do it. And over a probability of trading days, you're going to see that you will become profitable. The reason why we are not profitable is because we do dumb shit. Doing dumb shit transfers into getting dumb shit results. It's probabilities at the end of the day, you know. If you treat the market as a whatever thing, is a get rich quick scheme, guess what? You're gonna get broke quick. You gotta respect the market. Respect the market. The market is not here to. It's not a bowl of money, and a pot of money, where a leprechaun just walks in and here's a pot of money. You wanna play a game? What's 1 + 1? Oh, 2? Here you go, $100,000. That's not how it goes. That is not how it goes. So yeah, we're about to hit the draws on liquidity. Whatever. This will be a good educational video for you guys. Learn how to not trade. That's one thing we need to learn. We know how to trade, but we don't know how to not trade. We don't know how to not trade. Yup, just tap there. Maybe I should have took the trade off this 5-minute fair value gap. And it looks like we're reversing. No. Yeah, why are we reversing? Maybe SMT. Let's see if we got the SMT. I would need a change in state of delivery, which would be like right here. So there's no way I will take a sell all the way up here. See if we can get an order block entry. So I'll probably take it off order block. I think there's still room for us to go up even higher. Still more draws. I don't think we're gonna go all the way up here. So I'll keep it a little mini trade for now. Did we take out everything on S&P? Oh, these are equal highs on S&P. Relatively equal highs. We might still go up. Even though we're already there on NASDAQ. This is an SMT though. This is definitely an SMT. So we could go one way, we could go the other way. There's really no telling. There's really no telling. S&P we're already dropping. NASDAQ we're still up there. S&P, where are we dropping to? Where are we dropping to? 5 minute? There's nothing really. S&P. Got 22% battery in my damn laptop. Inverse fair value gap right here. I mean, we could just reverse right here. I do see an SMT up top, and it looks like we're reversing. I don't know where we're reversing into. It could be this 1 minute fair value gap. Let's see what we do. Let's see if we inverse that as well. If we do, I'll probably take a sell, honestly. Probably take a sell. Mm-hmm. 25808. 25208. And take profit. Maybe I'll put it right here. 25035. If we end up coming back up, then so be it. No trade for me. Nah. No sells. No sells for me. I don't like how the market is moving down. And it looks like the market still wants to go higher. So 25241. I'll do that order block entry, and we will see. Oh no, we actually pushing lower. Still not gonna trade against the trend though. 25128. We're pushing lower. Wow. Inverse. If we inverse this, then I'll probably take that trade. It's tricky, very tricky, very tricky. Don't know what the market wants to do. Really don't know. Looks like we completely inverse that bullish fair value gap. So I might just take a sell. Or you know what? I'm gonna wait until. Is there a 15-minute fair value gap? Nope, no fair value gaps. 5-minute. Nope. So where are we retracing to? I don't understand. If we can pull right back up, I'll probably put my stops right below these lows. Don't leave without me. Don't leave without me. Is there a 5-minute fair value gap up there? No. Yeah, the SMT is the big thing. I think we're gonna go lower. I really do, but it's too tricky to tell. I don't want to take a trade blindly off of the SMT. Just want to show you guys. Never mind. Are we getting that inverse? Nope. Are we gonna get that inverse? Yeah, I'd put my stops right here. I'd do it. I'd do it. Okay, let's go. Let's see what we do. We have a low protected right here. I want to see us come up here, shatter this. We still have more draws, so. What are we doing, mate? What are we doing, mate? We gonna go lower, we gonna go higher. We're gonna go lower, we're gonna go higher. We got more draws, we got more draws. We got more draws. What are we doing? 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 This is a nice 1-to-1, 1-to-1.5 risk reward. Let's see what we do. Oh my goodness gracious. Goodness gracious. Wow. Just like that. Big candle to the downside. Big candle to the downside. I like to trade continuations. I don't like to trade reversals. We're that close to our stops. That close. Let's see what we do. Come on now, let's push up. Looks like we're about to hit it. Yep. Damn. That's a big ass fucking candle. Oh, all right. Lost the trade. How much did I lose? It did not update yet, but might take another stab. I'm sorry, guys. I break my own rules. Only because I'm me. If we do go back up, let's see if we do. I mean, we do have the SMT, so I knew he was going to go lower. I knew he was going to go lower. I fucking knew he was going to go lower. Might just tap right back into this fair value gap and then go higher. Let's see what we do. I'm not out yet. I'm not out yet, guys. I think we're probably going to tap this, then retrace higher. That's what I think. I'm going to take another stab. Looks like we're rejecting this area. I don't see us flushing through all this. Let's see if our setup presents itself. I think in the grand scheme of things, we're still going up. So if anything, this would be a good entry right around here. 25070. I'll take this bitch right back up. 25206. I will take this bitch right back up. Wow. I knew it. I knew we were going back down. I knew it. I knew it. Two 5003. 5-minute fair value gap. Maybe this is that entry that I wanted to take before. Kind of respecting this fair value gap. I can see us reversing right through here. There we go, guys. Updated. I lost $211. I think we sweep this out. If we could go higher, that would be ideal. Don't know why we're going this slow. Unless we're targeting this 15-minute. Unless there's more draws. We are just going down, aren't we? Oh, man. The price action today is ridiculous. Ridiculous. Maybe this is manipulation. Always look around 10:30. I always look for an entry point around 10:30 because the market just likes to reverse randomly around the 10:30 mark, around there. And it is about 10:30, so we will see if I can make up what I just lost. We're still going down. Wow. We are just tumbling down, aren't we? I could have took this sell. I would have made like $900. Would have made $1,000 just now. Probably would have been on my way to pass the account. Mm-mm-mm. Is this two four nine three one? Hmm. Can I live? Mm, 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 mm. I'd probably take it right there, honestly. I'm going in. Going in. Let's see what we do. We'll be aggressively dragging my stops as well. There we go. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. That's what I like to see. Don't come back down. This is what I like to see. If we tap this fair value gap, I'll push this stop halfway. Now this is what you call some chart work. There we go. Go back up. I don't want to see you tap and fall. Go back up. Fucking laptop's about to die. Give me 1 second, guys. 1 second. Okay, we are moving up very aggressively, so I'm going to drag these stops very aggressively, maybe right around here. I'm gonna secure these profits. All that money I lost earlier today, I gotta get it back. Gotta get it back. I'll take the 200 for the day. Gonna have to move this laptop, guys. We are pushing back up. Go up. Yes, 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 yes. Fly like a butterfly. Fly like a butterfly. I knew we would tap this fucking fair value gap and go lower. That's why I marked it out. So let me aggressively trail this here because I think we're going to reverse around here. Actually, let me give it some room. I'll give it some room. Give it a little room. Little room. What we doing? What we doing? What we doing? Come on. You were just doing so good. You were doing so good. You were doing so good. Come on now. Go back up. Take profits right here. Come on. This is a good area. Good area to go right back up to. Are we gonna go back down for real? Are we gonna go back down? Now price is stuck. There we go. Let's go. Let's push right back up. Let's push right back up. Let's let the orders fill. Let's let the market do its thing. Like I said, we can't be greedy. Patience and psychology is the name of the game. Patience. You see, I could have chased this whole move all the way down. I could have chased this all the way down. Guess what? We stayed patient until we found our confluence. That we took it back up. You know, there's always room for you to eat. The market is always going to give you opportunities to eat. You just got to be patient. You can't treat it as a pot of gold, of free money. You can't treat it as that. You gotta be patient. Let it do its thing. If we do respect this bearish fair value gap and tumble lower, so be it. I'll take my profit for the day. I'm break even for the day. You know, there's always a setup tomorrow. There's always gonna be a setup the next day. There's always gonna be a setup next week. There's always gonna be a setup next month. You have to be patient, because if you're not patient, you're gonna lose everything. I promise you. Be patient. And I'm talking to myself here. I'm talking to, oh, there we go. Look at that. Took me right out. Took me right out. So that was a good stop entry. It's probably gonna reverse and go even lower. I'm gonna call it a day. I think I made $100 on the day. Not bad. Could have made more. Could have made like $1,000 today, actually. But there's always opportunity for another day. There's always opportunity in another day. Don't ever forget that. There's always gonna be opportunity in another day. Do not chase a move. Learn how to not trade. Learn how to not trade until your opportunity presents itself. Okay? I'm gonna stress this. Learn how to not trade until your opportunity presents itself. Me, I took a trade off of retracement. Market was kind of trending down. We don't really know what the market wants to do, but it's tumbling down very quickly at a very high rate. So it's best to not fade it. But if you see a confluence of a retracement, because the market always wants to retrace. So if you see a confluence off of retracement, that's why I marked out the 5-minute fair value gap. It's probably retracing into a 5-minute fair value gap, and it will probably tumble even lower. If it don't tumble even lower and goes even higher, then that just proves my bias was right in general of a bullish bias. This move was probably just some bullshit ass move. Market wanted to take me out, and that was that. But yeah, don't ever chase a move, and learn how to not trade. All right. So with that being said, let's see if this thing refreshed. It refreshed and only up $46 on the day. It is what it is. You live and you learn, right? You live and you learn. So yeah, I'm gonna call it a day, guys. Take care, and I'll see you on the next trading day. Peace.